Elon Musk SpaceX on Tuesday, August 26, launched its giant Starship rocket for its 10th test flight. The goal is to overcome development obstacles and reach long-anticipated technical milestones, which are key to the design of a reusable Mars rocket. The 403-foot-tall Starship system lifted off at around 7:30 p.m. EST from SpaceX Starbase facility in southern Texas. This mission aimed to test new heat shield towers and satellite deployment capabilities, among hundreds of other improvements over previous iteration. The upper part of the rocket separated as planned from its super heavy booster, the 232-foot-tall first stage, which usually lands back on the giant catching arms of the launch tower. But on Tuesday targeted the water of the Gulf of Mexico to demonstrate an alternative landing engine configuration. Meanwhile, Starship reached space on a trajectory toward the Indian Ocean, where the rocket later landed after withstanding intense heat during atmospheric re-entry, a crucial phase of the test that had destroyed the rocket during previous flights. Shortly after reaching space, Starship's satellite deployment system, resembling a pass dispenser, launched a mock Starlink satellite for the first time, a historic milestone that had been cancelled or failed in previous SpaceX test attempts.